In this video, we will show you how to exchange the thermostatic cartridge in a twin, triple or triple with diverter concealed shower valve. The first thing we need to do is turn the water supply to the shower off. This can be done at the main stopcock or via your inline isolator valves. The next step is to remove the handles from the shower valve. This can be done by locating and removing the grub screws underneath the small decorative levers. For different handle designs, you would need to locate the crosshead screws holding them in place. You will now need to remove the concealing plate. Simply cut through the sealant holding the plate to the wall and pull it away from the shower valve. Unscrew the decorative shroud from the temperature assembly. Once this is removed, remove the stop ring from the shower. Please make note of its position, as it will need to be replaced in this position when rebuilding the valve later. Now place a flathead screwdriver into one of the grooves on the retaining ring and strike the screwdriver gently with a hammer to loosen the ring in the direction shown. Now use the screwdriver to unscrew the ring completely. To easily remove the thermostatic cartridge, please refix the temperature handle back onto the spindle. Once you've done this, grip the handle firmly and pull. If necessary, gently rock the cartridge from side to side until it comes out of the valve body. And please note, it is normal for a small amount of water to come out of the valve at this point. Attach the temperature handle to the replacement cartridge and firmly push it into the valve body, ensuring the small bump or tab on the widest point of the cartridge lines up with a small recess in the valve body. You can now rebuild your shower valve by refitting the stop ring, making sure first it is placed back in the same position it was removed in, then refit the shrouds, your concealing plate, and finally the handles. We would also recommend recalibrating your shower valve after exchanging the cartridge. This procedure is covered in a separate video guide.